Catch a glimpse into the world of Layer 3 virtual private networks, or L3 VPNs. These are a game changer in the realm of network security and data protection. Imagine a tunnel, secure and impenetrable, through which your data travels, untouched by the dangers of the cyber world. That's what an L3 VPN does. It's not just a firewall, but a shield, a guardian of your data. By segregating network traffic, it ensures that your data remains safe and secure, even in the most hostile of cyber environments. Picture this: a bustling city with a network of underground tunnels. Your data, like a secret agent, uses these tunnels to move around unseen and undetected. That's the magic of L3 VPN. But it's not all about security. L3 VPNs also help to improve the performance of your network. By using advanced routing techniques, they ensure that your data reaches its destination quickly and efficiently. So whether you're running a small business or a large corporation, L3 VPNs are an essential tool in your IT arsenal. For more information, visit our website at www.betanetworks.com. Through knowledge, we empower. And with L3 VPN, we secure.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.